lovelies. So I wish that I had done this earlier on when I got my Cats Airdrop tokens, but I didn't. But I'm very sure that there's someone out there who just got their Cats Airdrop tokens and doesn't know what to do right now, or hasn't decided on what to do, or just waiting like, where do I go from here? So this video is for you. Don't make the same mistake like I did. So yesterday when I got my Cats Airdrop tokens, I actually waited for just very few hours, and then I discovered a lot of people are now fading airdrop projects because of the poor pay and all that. Well, Cats did not actually pay us for tapping our screen. No, they actually paid us for how old our Telegram page, our Telegram account is. So I don't really blame them, although I still blame them. But I feel that Cats still tried a little bit before you guys come from me. So this is what you should do if you are still having your Cats tokens. And this is what I should have done too yesterday, but I was just so discouraged about the whole Cats airdrop. So well, this is crypto trading and anything can happen. It's a 50-50 chance anyway. So if you are still having your Cats airdrop token and it's in your unified account, just click on this asset. Click on asset. Click on asset like this. Make sure it's in your unified account. If you see your unified account, I don't have any on my unified account right now. I think I should okay, let me clip this. Let me swap this back to my unified account. I have 1.61 USD here. Let me transfer it to my unified account in less than a minute. I just click on transfer, and then I make sure this from is showing funding account, and I make sure this is showing unified. That is the tool is showing unified, and then the max. I clicked on the max, and then I'll just click on confirm here, and it swaps so that I show you guys exactly what I mean. So let's imagine that my Cats is already in my unified trading account, and it's still in Cats tokens, See, my unified trading account has been updated, so, and it's still unified trading. So what I would just do is, let's imagine that this is Cats, your Cats token that you got yesterday, your cat. Let's imagine this cat. So what I'll just do is I'll just come to convert here. Let me go back. I just come to this convert. I'll click on this convert. Now you're going to see that, yeah, for me it's showing BTC, right? Yeah, it's showing BTC. It's showing BTC there. I'll just make sure it's true. I pick Cats. Like I go to click on that and then choose Cats, but mine is in USDT, so I'm going to use USDT, the coin, as an example. So if yours is showing Cats here, leave it at Cats. Make sure it's showing Cats, but mine, I'm using USDT. So now I'm going to now change this to, that is what I want to convert it to. I'm going to change it to ton. I'll click here and I'll select ton, and I'll click on ton. And then once you click on that, you're going to now choose the quantity you want to transfer to ton. You can do that here, or you just click on max. That is, you want to transfer all your Cats to ton, or you want to transfer, like me, I'm doing USDT. I click on max to ton. So if I do this, I'm going to have 0.3. Look at this. I'm going to have 0.3 ton. So yours, if you convert it from Cats to ton, you're going to have yours. You'll see what I'm going to receive here. Now, why am I asking to change your Cats to ton? I'm asking to do that because it's easier for you to do some transaction, especially if you usually do do ton transaction for airdrop projects. It's way easier. Then also, ton is something that is, I still feel that the coin is a little bit stable. The ton is stable because as long as there are going to be many games in Telegram channel, a lot of projects are going to be built around the ton coin. So I think this is stable. So if I had known earlier, or if I had calmed down earlier, I would have just swapped my Cats to ton and just relax like that. If you change yours to USDT, no problem. You can still leave it at USDT and swap to ton whenever you want. But I'll have just done that. So the way I'm not a financial advisor, but where I'm looking at it with a lot of people fading out Cats, the crypto market or a coin or a token does well when the players on the platform favors it, when they like it, the coin will be favored. But when it's the opposite, like what's happening with Cats, a lot of people are complaining about Cats. At least it's even better than Hamster. So when it's fading, when people are like getting discouraged about it, it will start crashing. Like look at Hamster. I didn't even hold my Hamster at all. I traded it immediately because I saw like this is dust, totally dust. So I knew it was going to crash, and it keeps crashing. Well, some people still believe it might still rise later. I don't know, but with cats, there's a 50-50 probability that it might keep rising or it might fall. So just go ahead and trade it to turn. To be on the safe side, trade it to turn. If you trade the USDT yesterday, it's still fine, but go ahead and trade it to turn. So if you now click on quotes, and once you click on quotes, it will tell you that you are going to convert you also convert your 1.6159 USDT from USDT or from CAT. Remember, in your case, I'm using CAT to turn. And once you do that, you click on confirm, and it's zero fee on Bybit. Zero fee. That's one thing about all this option wallet is zero fee. So my unified trading account has been converted. The coin in my unified trading account that was USDT, yours should be CAT, should have converted itself after you've done that successfully from the coin it is to turn. And then I'll just go to view asset, and under view asset, you see that it's still reflecting here. It's still reflecting here, but it is no longer under USDT. It is now under turn. So this is one way you can still keep your airdrop tokens for cats. We hope you gained a thing also from this video. So see you in a subsequent video. Bye for now.